Welcome to This Explainer. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing the world has completely fundamentally shifted. Cars are driving themselves, entire marketing videos are being generated from scratch by machines, your phone is anticipating what you need before your fingers even touch the screen, and somewhere out there, right at this very moment, artificial intelligence is making literally millions of decisions a second that affect our economy, our businesses, and our daily lives. So today we're going to unpack how AI is no longer just science fiction. It's a foundational reality shaping the modern world. Whether you're a student, a professional, or an executive looking to build an AI-first company culture, consider this your strategic briefing.
It really does sound like a movie, doesn't it? But look, with over 70% of companies already adopting some form of AI, you absolutely do not need to be a programmer, a data scientist, or some kind of tech genius to understand it today. Actually, understanding AI right now is essentially the new internet literacy. If you don't grasp it today, you're definitely going to struggle to adapt tomorrow. But the good news? We are going to make it incredibly clear for you.
Here's our roadmap for this explainer. 1. Decoding artificial intelligence. 2. How AI actually works. 3. How did we get here? 4. Real-world AI applications. 5. The dark side of AI. And finally, 6. Your AI starter kit.
All right, let's jump right into Section 1, Decoding Artificial Intelligence. What exactly is AI?
At its core, AI is simply a machine trained to think and act kind of like us. It's designed to recognize images, understand language, make decisions, and create content. But the absolute most crucial thing to remember here is that AI isn't magic. It learns by using data. Every single Google search you make, every YouTube video you watch, every online purchase, all of that data trains these systems. Think of AI literally like an incredibly eager intern. The more enterprise data, customer trends, and information it studies, the smarter and more capable it becomes over time.
Now, if you're a leader thinking about your long-term strategy, it's really crucial to compare the different levels of AI. What we have right now is called narrow AI. This tech performs one specific, trained task extremely well. Think of a voice assistant, facial recognition, or the algorithm recommending your next movie. But it can't truly think like a human outside of that one specific lane. However, general AI is the ultimate future goal. This would be a system that can actually reason, learn, and think exactly like a real human across literally any intellectual domain. Some experts think we'll see general AI in a few decades. Others say no way, it's never happening. And beyond even that is the theoretical super AI, which would be vastly smarter than humans in every single area, from science right down to business strategy. That potential for superintelligence, well, that's exactly what excites some people and completely terrifies others, because it could fundamentally redefine global market competition and even human control.
Okay, moving on to Section 2, How AI Actually Works. Let's look at the mechanics of machine intelligence. To really wrap your head around AI, you've got to understand machine learning. Instead of a programmer sitting down and painstakingly typing out every single instruction for a computer to follow, we just allow the computer to learn patterns from data. Think of it like this. If you want a computer to recognize a cat, you don't program the exact shape of a cat's ear or the length of its whiskers. Instead, you feed the system millions of photos of cats. Eventually, it learns on its own what a cat looks like. Now take that exact same logic and apply it to feeding a system millions of financial transactions so it learns to instantly spot anomalies and fraud. Pretty amazing, right?
Taking that a step further, we get to deep learning. This is a much more advanced form of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks, which are actually inspired by the human brain. These systems process massive, heavily interconnected data sets and just keep improving over time. This is the exact technology powering self-driving cars, your voice assistants, and AI chatbots. It's a huge reason why AI has advanced so incredibly fast over just the last few years.
And then we have generative AI. This is the massive breakthrough you're seeing explode all over the internet right now. Unlike older AI that just analyzed data, generative AI creates brand new, completely original content from scratch. We are talking about text, images, video, music, and even computer code. This is the specific tech that's shifting the modern workforce, allowing managers to leverage it for daily productivity and solving those stubborn operational bottlenecks in real time.
So, Section 3. How did we get here? Let's trace the historical evolution of AI.
You might think this all happened overnight, but the question of can machines think actually started way back in the 1950s with the Turing test. We then went through what researchers call the AI winter from the 60s to the 80s, where progress basically slowed to a crawl because our computers simply weren't fast enough.
But a massive milestone hit in 1997 when IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov, proving machines could actually outperform humans in highly specialized tasks. Fast forward to the 2010s, which brought a total explosion of better computers, super powerful graphics processors, and mountains of internet data. So today, we're living in the result of decades of strategic iteration.
Let's look at Section 4, Real-World AI Applications. These are the tools changing the world right now.
What we're seeing right now is a massive shift from doing manual tasks to stepping into human oversight roles. Today, powerful beginner AI tools are making software development, content creation, and media production more accessible than they have ever been. AI chatbots act like your own digital assistants for brainstorming and research. Image generators turn simple text prompts, like a futuristic city at sunset, into stunning, realistic artwork in seconds. Video and music generators are doing the heavy lifting that used to require an entire production team. And coding assistants are helping complete beginners build apps by suggesting code and fixing bugs. An individual manager doesn't just have to execute anymore. They can now act as an orchestrator, overseeing an entire workflow using just these incredibly accessible tools.
And AI is fundamentally transforming massive established industries too. In healthcare, it's helping doctors analyze medical scans faster and detect diseases way earlier. Over in finance, banks are using it to catch fraud and completely automate their trading systems. In education, AI tutors are offering personalized learning to students. And across global business, companies are automating repetitive tasks across the board. This isn't just some fleeting tech trend. This is a core competitive advantage that reduces costs, increases profits, and completely revolutionizes organizational efficiency.
But we have to be realistic. Section 5, the dark side of AI. Let's understand the serious risks.
The dark side requires our careful attention, especially for those of us leading teams through an enterprise transformation. Look, the most immediate impact is job replacement. As repetitive jobs get automated, leaders absolutely must prepare for potential workforce displacement and organizational restructuring. There are also severe security risks like deepfakes, which generate incredibly realistic fake videos and voices, completely supercharging online misinformation. Then, of course, we face massive privacy concerns regarding data collection and corporate surveillance. Furthermore, bias in AI is a critical corporate liability. Think about it. If an AI is trained on flawed data, it makes flawed, unfair decisions in highly sensitive areas like hiring and finance. So ensuring data integrity is an absolute necessity. And finally, there's that long-term theoretical risk of superintelligent AI, where a system becomes so advanced that it could actually result in a loss of human control.
So where do we go from here? Section 6, Your AI Starter Kit, How to Start Using AI Today.
Despite those very real risks we just talked about, ignoring AI just isn't the answer. Building AI literacy is a core competitive advantage today. By following these simple steps, you can start building that AI-first culture for yourself and your teams right now. Step 1 is learning how to prompt. AI responds to your instructions, so the better your prompts, the better your results. Step 2 is leveraging AI for daily productivity. Managers can use it to draft summaries, schedule meetings, and do deep research in a fraction of the time. Step 3 is exploring content creation. There are huge online opportunities to be uncovered by generating scripts and images. And Step 4 is learning these skills early. The people who understand AI today are absolutely securing a major advantage in the future job market.
The crucial point I want you to take away from this explainer is this. We are entering one of the biggest technological revolutions in human history. It has the potential to cure diseases, eliminate repetitive work, and completely accelerate scientific discovery. But it is not a distant future event. It's happening right now, shaping our reality every single day. I'll leave you with this final thought to consider. AI is a tool, and like any powerful tool, its impact depends entirely on the hands that wield it. As the people who are taking the time to understand this technology earliest, how will we choose to shape the future of the AI era? Will it help humanity flourish, or will we let it become dangerous? The choice and the strategy starts with us. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and welcome to the AI era.